Hi everyone. I want to talk about puzzles. Believe me or not, I've been thinking about jigsaw puzzles lately. Um, Now, imagine you buy 1,000 pieces of puzzles and you choose the picture. You are choosing the picture. You like landscapes, for example, nature, views, whatever, and uh, you buy a picture. I'll try to describe the picture. Mountains on a back. A river is there, trees, and you can see the castle on this picture. So that picture has elements of mountains, bushes, trees, castle, river, flowers are there on this picture, and you like this picture. You choose this picture and you are taking home this box and that picture on this box for example. And now you wanna start to put the puzzles together, and you are overwhelmed. You are overwhelmed because there's thousands puzzles and you don't know where to start, and that is okay. Just find two puzzles that fit together, and by this color you can find another same color and try the different ways. You know what I mean? So just by playing with the puzzles, you can I don't know how to explain. Let's say you want to achieve something in life, some big things. You want to be motivational speaker, you want to buy a mansion in the middle of nowhere, you want to travel the world, you want to have like your jet helicopter, whatever. And now at this point you don't have a clue how is that going to happen. But you need to start somewhere. You need to find these two pieces of puzzles and then find the similar one, and that's how your picture will show in your life. And let's say now you want to become a motivational speaker. There's a different elements of being motivational speaker. You need to know knowledge. You need to know knowledge. What are you going to talk about and how somebody is inspiring others. You need to know the knowledge. You need to motivational speaker about the motivation. You need to know about it. And second thing, you need to develop your communication skills. You need to know how to show up. So your posture, you need to represent. You cannot speak of motivational things and to bend your back or something. There's lots of elements about being motivational speaker. You need to represent. You need to be you need to know how to deliver, because if you don't know how to deliver, people won't believe you. People won't believe you because you're not showing up like you're sure this is the thing you need to do to achieve something like in life. So that puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, has its element as well. As I said, a castle, mountains, a river, and by playing with these puzzles, you need to be persistent. You need to be persistent, and you need to be consistent. And in order to get someplace, you need to know where you're going to. So by choosing that landscape picture, you know how the picture looks like in a whole. You know how the picture looks like in a whole. And you choose that. You like this picture. And just by knowing it, you need to be motivated. You need to know your end goal and what will that bring you. By solving these puzzles, you can learn a lot about your if you're in a personal development, self-development. You need to know how to motivate yourself, and it's amazing how solving puzzles can teach you about the patience and this end picture. Yeah, that's all what I want to say. And yeah, just one more thing. I believe you heard about what's his guy's name, Apple guy, doesn't matter. You cannot connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect dots looking backward. So if you want to understand life, you can understand life only looking backward. What I mean by that, everything that you decided in the past led you here now. Everything that you choose to say, to do, everything led you here and now. By setting goals, I have some goals and I don't have a fucking clue how to achieve that, but I need to believe. And yeah, by understanding life, you can only understand life by looking backwards. And it's amazing how everything is falling into place for a reason, and you know that you have everything, that you are the creator. You are the creator. You are choosing every day your actions, your thoughts, your story that you are telling yourself and others. All that matters. And think about your goals like a jigsaw puzzle. You know how end picture has to look like. You have 1,000 pieces, you don't know where to start, but just start somewhere. Find these matching colors. Find these parts of trees. Just find these parts of trees and solve the tree part of the puzzles, and everything has to fall into place. You just need to be persistent, consistent, and believing that you can. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.